HelpMeWithStats.com was used to create this tutorial that can help us understand example data for partitioning sum of squares in a one-way within subject ANOVA. In an experiment that examines the effect of spacing on memory, we've matched the participants by GPA, because we know that GPA is related to memory. Students with higher GPAs tend to have better memories. We have 6 different groups of students, with GPAs ranging from 4.0 to 3.0. We have 3 different conditions that vary in the amount of spacing between study sessions: no spacing, 1 space and 2 spaces. The first participant group has the students with the highest GPAs, 4.0. Note that all of these students have very high memory scores of 30 or more. The mean score for this participant group is 32. The second participant group has the students with high GPAs, 3.8. Note that these students also have good memory scores, but not as high as the group with the 4.0 GPAs. The mean score for this participant group is 28. Let's look at the scores for the no spacing group. Notice that the scores are varied, but most of the scores are below the participant group mean: -4, -1, -4, -6 and -3. The average of these different scores appearing at the right is -3. Let's look at the scores for the one space condition. Notice that the scores are varied, some are above the participant group mean, +3 and +2, and some scores are below the participant mean, -2, -2 and -1. The average of these different scores appearing at the right is 0. Almost all of the scores for the 2 spaces condition are above the mean of the participant group, +2, +6, +4, +4, and +4. The average of these different scores appearing at the right is +3. For more help with statistics, HelpMeWithStats.com is a free website that has more than 70 tutorials, as videos, or as self-paced slideshows. You can also learn how to conduct more than 60 statistical analyses by watching videos that show complete solutions, or by working through an unlimited number of examples using the step-by-step problem solvers. Finally, you can access a comprehensive stats textbook with more than 685 review questions. Thanks for watching. If you find these resources valuable, please share with your friends, teachers, and professors.